Right, here we are, Udaipur City train station. So we're just about to go in, get our train. But see on the board, it looks okay. Where are we? There we go. Yeah, 22902, 21. Right. D0 platform number 3. Yeah. Right, let's go. There you go. So people here obviously waiting for their trains and stuff. You go get your tickets. Right. So where's Bub? She's there. Yep. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Platform 3. Here she comes. Oh, this is it. This is platform 3, Bub. Yeah. So platform 3. Right, so all your names will be on there. So we've got a B1 we've got to find. B1. Right. So it's up to you what you want to do about getting some food and that. Right, okay. Right. See you on the train. Hello there. Right, here we go. Found our train. So we are. There it is. So we are 33, 34. We first on. Go on, girl. Right, there's the loot. This is us down here. Here we go. Yeah? No, it's 39.40. 35, 33, 34. Here we go. This is us. Right. Good morning. Well, David, reporting from the sleeper train. There's old Bubby. So I was up here last night, and then we had someone up there. So we're just in a. I don't know where we are actually. It's 9 o'clock. We've got another 4 hours. But yeah, as you can see, people are all up. Guy comes round with a chai. So yeah, so someone comes round with chai, someone comes round with breakfast. There you go. So it just keeps going. No, thank you. No. So yeah, that's it. So another 4 hours, and then we'll be in Mumbai. Happy days. Anyway, see you a bit later. Ta-da. Here we go.
There you will, in Mumbai you will see this.
Yeah. Just people living right next to the station, or right next to the track, should I say. We'll do a little salute. See you later. Ta-da.